After a keratin treatment, some people notice that their hair feels sticky, heavy, or greasy instead of smooth. This can happen due to product buildup, excess formula residue, or improper aftercare. The good news is this can be corrected. Here are 5 natural ways to help fix sticky hair at home. 1. Use a sulfate-free clarifying wash. Gently remove residue without stripping natural oils. Choose a mild cleansing shampoo designed for treated hair. 2. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Improper rinsing can leave product buildup on the scalp. Make sure to rinse completely to avoid residue. 3. Avoid heavy styling products. For a few days, skip serums, wax, and thick conditioners. These can increase stickiness. 4. Apply a lightweight, nourishing serum use, small amounts of a gentle product to restore balance without weighing hair down. 5. Allow proper drying. Let hair dry fully before tying it up. Damp hair can feel sticky due to trapped moisture. Using a well-formulated treatment such as Mayraki Keratin, which is designed to support smoother results while maintaining hair integrity, can help reduce issues like residue buildup when used correctly and followed by proper aftercare. With the right routine and gentle products, sticky hair after keratin treatment can be managed effectively, restoring softness, shine, and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.